A clean space is a clean mind. Today, we don't study, we restore. Don't look for rules, look at the dirt disappear. Listen to the friction. Let's make it sparkle. Cleaning day. The glass cleaner. Spray the window. A microfiber cloth. Wipe in cycles. Get rid of the smudge. Crystal clear. The vacuum cleaner. Plug it in. Turn on the vacuum. Vacuum the carpet. Suck up the dust. Change the attachment. The mop bucket. Fill with warm water. Floor cleaner. Dip the mop. Wring out the water. Mop the floor. Fresh and shiny. The dust is gone, but the language remains. You didn't memorize a single word, but your brain now knows what a vacuum, a spray, and a mop look like in English. Enjoy your sparkling home. You earned it. Did you find this satisfying? Write sparkle in the comments. Subscribe for more silent cleanings.